Hi, I'll be showing you what happens to plants if they were eaten by insects, doesn't have enough sunlight, or overwatering. There's a lot of plants enemies that we need plants to be protected from because plants gives us a lot of things. First enemy, low light. This is a plant that doesn't have enough sunlight or lacks sunlight. Plants needs three basic things to live: sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and through a process of photosynthesis, the plants use the energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide, soil, nutrients, and water into food. Second enemy, sunburn. Like us humans, our skin burns if we expose with too much UV rays. But instead, plant leaves turns white, and sometimes the only sign of leaf sunscald in plants, the outer layers of leaves tissues burns up with so much light exposure, causing light tan to white discoloration. Third enemy, overwatering. Many people love their plants. If a little water and plant food is good, surely more is better, right? You can literally drown a plant with too much water. The tip of this plant leaves is brown but it feels soft and limp due to overwatering. The fourth enemy, pests and plants. There are lots of types of pests and plants, but I will only show you one commonly found pest, the aphids. Aphids suck plant sap, causing foliage to distort and leaves to drop. The last enemy, pets. Dogs love to dig. They'll go after you indoor plants. Cats can turn your favorite plant into a scratching post. So if you dogs and cat pets, make sure to place fences for your plants. The last enemy, dust. If your plants accumulate a heavy layer of dust, it will block sunlight from reaching the leaves for photosynthesis, the process of generating energy to live and grow. Eventually, they will die. Now over prevention, first we will go to lack of sunlight. We need to know the types of plants that needs a lot of sunlight. Outdoor plants needs a lot of sunlight, so we must put them in a place or an area that can get a lot of rays from the sun. To help reduce temperatures near susceptible plants, add shade and increase humidity. Protect tree trunks from solar radiation by retaining lower foliage or applying light-colored protective material. Provide shade by erecting a fence or a screen. Now over to overwatering. Changing the soil to a grittier mix with better drainage may help. Check the drainage holes at repotting and ensure they are open. Use containers that help evaporate excess moisture such as terracotta and unglazed containers. Now, in pests, control with natural or organic sprays like a soap and water mixture. Neem oil or essential oils employ natural predators like ladybugs, green lacewings, and birds. Grow the right plants that attract predatory insects, plants that repel aphids, and plants that trap aphids. The pets in plants. To keep pets away, spray plants with pungent white vinegar or apple bitter, or plant marigolds between vegetable rows, which repel dogs and other backyard pests such as Mexican bean beetles, aphids, squash bugs, and whiteflies. However, don't apply rabbit or deer repellents that contain coyote urine. Now over to dust and plants. Wash houseplants often in lukewarm water to rid of the dust and insects. Don't use cold water, it may spot leaves. Place small houseplants in a sink. Wash larger houseplants in a shower. Let plants drip dry before placing them in the sun.